Welcome to Salvation Stories. In this episode of Salvation Stories, we journey with Abraham, the man chosen by God as he becomes both a warrior and a man of faith. A war breaks out between four powerful kings from the east and five local kings, including the kings of Sodom and Gomorrah. During this battle, the invaders capture Abraham's nephew Lot, who lives in Sodom, and take him along with other prisoners. When Abraham hears this, he acts swiftly. With just 318 men from his household, he mounts a daring rescue mission. At night, Abram divides his forces, attacks the invaders, and rescues Lot, along with all the people and goods. After the victory, Abraham is greeted by two kings, Melchizedek, king of Salem, and the priest of Most High God, blesses Abraham and offers him bread and wine. The king of Sodom offers Abraham a reward, but Abram refuses to take anything. He wants no one to say, "I made Abram rich," showing that his trust is in God alone. Later, God appears to Abram in a vision, saying, "Do not be afraid, Abram. I am your shield, your very great reward." But Abram questions God, still childless, wondering who will inherit his wealth. God reassures him, promising, "Look up at the sky and count the stars. If indeed you can count them, so shall be your offsprings." Abram believes God, and it is counted to him as righteousness. Then God made a solemn covenant with Abram, promising that his descendants will inherit the land from Egypt to Euphrates, but first they will endure 400 years as foreigners and slaves before being delivered. God confirms this promise in a powerful vision. Abram sees a smoking firepot and a blazing torch pass between animal pieces that he laid out, sealing God's covenant. In these chapters, Abram shows bravery, integrity, and most importantly, faith. God responds not just with blessing, but with a covenant that shapes the future of his people. Thank you for joining me on this episode of the Salvation Stories. Today we saw how God walks with Abram not just in quiet moments of faith, but in battles, doubts, and promises. From rescuing Lot to receiving a covenant sealed by God Himself, Abram's journey reminds us that faith isn't passive. It's bold, active, and trusting in God's timing. If this story moved you, share it with someone who needs encouragement today. And do not forget to follow the podcast so you won't miss the next episode, where we'll witness a dramatic twist in the Abraham story as he and Sarai try to take matters onto their hands. Until then, stay faithful. God is not done writing your story.